What's up? Welcome to my channel. This is my house. It's a waking nightmare, but I got plans to fix it up. I'm gonna build out a shop in the garage and make part of it an Airbnb. I guess it's called house hacking. Shout out to all my bigger pockets heads out there. I guess I gotta fit my family in there somewhere too. I'm gonna document all my projects here while I navigate my family life and my square gig. So if you like that sort of thing and want to follow along, please subscribe. Here are a couple projects I have planned for the channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.